The beautiful church of St. Mary's is situated in the historic village of Chiddingstone, one of the most unspoilt villages in Kent, and which was mentioned in the Domesday Book. Much of it is owned by the National Trust, and little has changed over the years, with only 2 new buildings erected since the beginning of the 20th century. The village is very popular for film sets. The earliest record of a church in Chiddingstone dates back to 1120, and the oldest parts of the existing church were built in the 13th century. The nave was rebuilt early in the 17th century after it was struck by lightning. In the churchyard is a stone gazebo dating from 1736, built by Henry Streatfeild, leading down into the Streatfeild family vault, beneath which has a through flow of air provided by vents in 2 false altar tombs, one adjacent to the gazebo and the other some 30 feet north. A popular theory is that the village takes its name from a large sandstone rock formation situated on its outskirts named the Chiddingstone. Chiddingstone was a previous spelling used for the village. The National Trust consider it more likely the name is derived from the homestead of Sidda's family, Chiddingstone. It was recorded as Chiddingstone in the 12th century. The stone may have been used as a place to remonstrate overbearing local wives, a druidical ritual site, or an Anglo-Saxon boundary marker.